Hey friends, if you wish to access OneDrive files offline on a Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, any file that is on the desktop and has this green tick next to it is already downloaded and can be accessed. The same goes for the pictures folder and the documents folder. Okay, any picture here will be downloaded directly. So this is one part to it. The second thing is that you can access them online by going to File Explorer and expanding this list with the OneDrive icon and the name of your system. Okay, so this is how you can access these files offline. You'll find all the folders here, even the desktop folder is in this list. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.